if you're a business guy and if Manny wants to get the world championship, does it make sense to just run it back again? Because this guy, mukhang kaya naman. Medyo
Mhm.
nag-short lang. Si Manny mismo kasi nagsabi na kulang pa daw yung 2 months na training niya. But
Mhm.
again, Sean Gibbons not interested. But would you want to see the rematch instead?
That's a very good question. Ito tinanong rin sa amin na pag-usapan namin ni attorney. Itong sagot ko dyan. It really depends kung ano ang gusto bang gawin ni Manny Pacquiao sa kanyang career at this point.
Okay.
Ngayon,
Mm.
if he wants to become a world champion still, 'di ba? Well, of course, saan ka pa ba pupunta? Siyempre, pili ka na ng pinakabano. 'Di ba?
Si
Gusto mo
Mario
world
Barrios.
champion? Si Mario Barrios, 'di ba? Kasi honestly, guys, magprangkahan na tayo dito. I don't like his chances and I would be very afraid if he goes up
Okay.
against the likes of Boots, kay Brian Norman. Ayoko na yung mga laban na yun eh. Kasi at this point in time, he's 46. He earned the right to choose the fights naman na eh. 'Di ba?
Yeah,
Brand
yeah.
ka na eh, Manny Pacquiao ka na eh. So those champions I don't like for him. So it depends. Ano bang gusto ni Manny? Is he going for money? Is he going for a retirement package? Does he want to add to his legacy? Does he want to become a champion again? Kasi kung gusto yung maging champion, sino pa ba ito? Takot na takot sa'yo, labanan mo ulit. 'Di ba? Alam ka
Yeah, yeah.
namang mas, 'di ba? So,
I
kung
think,
ganun,
sige, sige.
mag-rematch sila kung gusto niya mag-champion siya. If he wants to go for a money fight, 'di ba? Andyan yung Tank na nilutang din yung yung pangalan pero medyo high risk 'yun.
Yeah, I
Medyo
think yung Tank ang pinaka-money fight, but no other fight with Manny is gonna be a money fight. And yung sinabi mo, let's not talk about Norman and the other guys, Boots kasi medyo talagang delikado. But ang pinakamalapit is yung isang Rolly Romero na
Oo.
na-float din. Yun yung dalawa eh, Rolly Romero and Tank Davis. And Rolly Romero is very much willing and able to fight.
Mm.
Teka lang si Ryan Garcia kasi umiepal pa pero sabi ni Oscar, wag muna kasi parang injured ka pa. Rolly, Barrios, who would you rather? Though, I mean, isipin mo na kung anong gusto ni Manny. As a fan or as an analyst,
Kung
who would you rather? Kasi parang, teka, sorry nakalimutan ko yung point na to eh. Kasi itong draw ni Manny, kahit draw to, it feels like a win. It feels kinda like a win. It's like, ang tawag nga doon na hindi ka nanalo, hindi ka natalo, pero panalo ka. Moral victory. But everyone feels that it's a victory at 46.
Yes.
So, wala naman akong kailangan patunayan na dito kay Barrios. Kasi alam naman ng lahat na tinalo ko talaga siya. Rolly Romero ba o Barrios pa rin?
Kasi kung papapiliin ako sino mas magaling doon sa dalawa, I might have to go with Rolly. Kasi alam mo kasi Rolly kasi alam mo may one punch knockout siya na kapag nakita mong, baka pag na-timingan niya, naisahan niya si Manny, baka bumigay yung kanyang 47. Kasi by that time, kung December laban, he's gonna be 47 eh.
47.
Baka bumigay yung, baka 17. Hindi. Oo, kasi other than speed, reflexes, timing, ang isa po kasi sa nawawala sa boksingero as they age is their ability to absorb punishment.
Yes.
So yung Rolly Romero, mas may din yung suntok eh. Ayoko yun eh. Kasi in a way na baka masingitan siya eh. And there's going to be yung kaba. Alam mo yung kaba na nandun? So, and I think he's just overall. Kasi yung Rolly Romero, hindi yan, susugod yan, susubok yan eh. Kaya nga di ba yung nangyari sa kanya kay Tank?
Yeah.
O ayun.
Yeah.
So, sumampay siya dun sa lubid kasi gano'n na lang siya. So susubok at susubok yan. Itong Mario Barrios, na nakita natin, wala naman siyang in-offer kay Manny, kundi yung jab niya eh. Yung right hand niya, hindi niya naman kaya patulugin si Manny. So I think I'd still, kung again point in hand, ano ba ang goal nyo? 'Di ba? So ngayon, kung papapiliin tayo dito sa dalawa, mas importante ba sa'yo, kunwari, mas importante ba sa'yo mag-champion? Tsaka ito yung champion, ito yung pera. Anong priorities nyo? O sige, mas
pareho eh. Pareho may belt eh.
Yun nga. Kaya lang, I would think na mas maliit ang pera sa laban kay Barrios eh.
Yeah. Diba? Possibly.
So gaano ka-importante? Mas importante ba sa'yo mag-champion na you can disregard the money at 46, 47? Kaya mo pa bang i-let go yun na supposedly retirement package? Kasi kung gano'n, punta ka na kay Barrios. O ngayon, I think he has a good chance din naman kay Rolly Romero. Importante sa'yo mag-champion at importante din sa'yo pera. Equally, punta ka ngayon kay Rolly. Alam mo yun, so ito yung mga bagay na tinitimbang at pinag-aaralan ng team eh. Hindi yung basta lang, ito, ganyan. Kailangan may plano. Kailangan alam niyo yung target at vision niyo para do sa atleta kasi that's how you plan for your next move.
Yeah, but knowing Manny Pacquiao and with the statement of Sean Gibbons, sabi nga nila, and so I quote, I wanna entertain the fans. And the Mario Barrios kind of a letdown for them because it wasn't the kind of game. Parang Rolly Romero. I mean, not thinking about the current state of Manny, yung 46, which a lot of Filipinos are parang nakakalimutan na 46, 47 na si Manny because hindi natin masisi kasi wala namang iba na nagbibigay ng ganyang excitement sa boxing pa rin hanggang ngayon.
Sa Pilipinas.
Yes, sa Pilipinas. And talagang kapit tayo kay Manny every time na bumabalik. Parang hindi pa nga nagsisimula yung laban na agad. So it looks like it's leaning towards Rolly Romero. Sa mga naririnig-rinig ko, ito daw talaga kasi nga nabore sila dito kay pero delikado talaga. Now, if this fight happens,
kasi yung Rolly, sorry Pawa if I may add,
sige.
Win-win naman sa kanila eh. Kasi I think that will draw more money and there's a belt in line and I think he has a good chance of beating Rolly. So, lagi naman nilang tinitimbang dyan. Alam mo naman yan eh, yung risk-reward, titimbangin natin. Yun naman lagi eh. The guy is 46, di ba? Dapat lang, piliin mo na yung mga laban. Ano pa ba, kung hindi ka pa rin namimili ng laban by now, there's something wrong with your team. So, kailangan i-align nyo yan. So, I think, kung titimbangin from the outside looking in, okay na laban yung Rolly. May belt, tapos beatable.
Yeah, nga, sabi mo nga, depende sa goal, pili ng laban. But parang si Manny, ever since na pinipili niya yung laban, gusto niya yung matatangkad, yung mahahaba, yung mahihirap. But he has, no one can say otherwise if he choose to fight an easier fight. But he's not doing that. I mean, sabi ko nga, pwede naman siyang mag-exhibition at kumita ng easy money, ng marami, makailang exhibition siya. It could be equivalent to the amount. Hindi pa siya ganun kabugbog. But